Hi guys, Australia and Denmark currently have Hasbro gaming toys. The US also had these toys in the past and I did get these toys. I do have Connect 4 and Pie Face and Hungry Hippo, so all of those videos are on my channel. So the next set for these countries is Rubik's Cube toys. There were some Rubik's Cube partnership with Illumination Entertainment with Secret Life of Pets, Despicable Me 3, and Minions cubes in the past. And these are just plain Rubik's Cubes. We have our typical 2x2 cube, and then we have the 3x2x1 cube. We have Rubik's Slide and Rubik's Pivot over here. I'm not sure what these do. These two pictures do look the same. I mean, for the slide, I would guess it's one of those where you have to like slide it to make a pattern or something. So maybe it comes with cards and it says make this pattern. But I'm not sure what the pivot will be then. Maybe they made a mistake and it's just the same picture. And then we have Rubik's 2D. It looks like you might just like have the cubes and then you have to put them together. We have Rubik's Decoder. So it's like a cylindrical version of a cube. And then you have to like solve it to get a message maybe. That would be cool. Maybe if you get a pattern, you can unlock a message. If it is like that, it will be really cool. And Rubik's Build a Cube. So maybe it will come with blocks, then you could build your own cube. And Rubik's Hex, similar to this one. So I would like to see these toys in real life, and hopefully they do come to other countries, including the US, so I could get them. I think this would be a cool set. I actually have a stop motion of a Rubik's Cube solving itself, so you could check this out in my stop motion playlist. I also have the Super Mario like cube type toy from a previous US Happy Meal set. And since you can't comment down below, you can message me on Instagram if you're old enough at Ticks to Toy Time and see cool pictures of Funko Pops and Happy Meal toys. And you can check out my Happy Meal playlist with 753 Happy Meal toy videos over here. And thank you for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. Please like, subscribe, and message me on Instagram, and have a great day.